How to fix Instagram highlight loading problem. So first and foremost is you have to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. If you don't have a strong internet, then you can go to cellular data if you have one. So make sure that you have internet connections because that might be the problem. Now, the other way is there is a possibility that your Instagram highlight is loading. That is because your Instagram is not updated. So all you have to do is to go to your face app store rather and go to Instagram here and make sure that you have updated the application. Now once updated and you still have the same problem, or the last option for you is to go here to your general, and then after going to your general, you can go here to your iPhone storage and look for the Instagram application. Click on Instagram and here you will see offload. Make sure to offload the application. So offloading your application will help you refresh your application or restart your application and just tap on reinstall the app. So don't worry, even if the application is reinstalled, the information, the accounts are still intact there. So it will just simply clean the application, refresh the application, and restart the application. And basically, if you're done with that, if you go back to your Instagram application, then that will fix your Instagram highlight loading problem. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.